right, which is used to find the most valuable objects. So we have 4 objects in this example. These all are the weights and values of the particular object. The total capacity of the knapsack is 5, right? Now the J ranges from 0 to W. In our example, value of W is 5. I ranges from 0 to N. N is number of objects, 4. There are two initial conditions, V of 0, J, I, 0. Okay, so J is initially V of 0, 0 is 0. Next, 0, 1 is 0. I'm going to fill this table. 0, 2, 0. 0, 3, 0. 0, 4, 4. 0. Okay. Similarly, V of I, 0. Value of I is 0. 0, 0, 0. Next, yeah, this is I values. Okay, this is all are the I value. Now I'm going to fill the J value. 0, 1 is 0, 0, 2 0, 0, 3 0, 0, 4 also 0, 0, 5 is 0. Okay, now we need to fill this table directly. Okay, we need to fill this table directly. Okay, now so initially we need to find V of 1, 1. Okay, V of 1, 1. Clear ma? V of 1, 1. See here, this is V of 1, 1. So we have two conditions in the formula. The first condition is J minus Wi greater than or equivalent to 0. Next is J minus Wi less than or less than 0. Okay. So now we are going to apply the first formula. What is the first formula? J minus Wi greater than or equal to 0. See here, this is the first formula. J minus Wi less than greater than or equivalent to 0. Okay. So here V of 1, 1, I equivalent to 1, J equivalent to 1. Okay. Value of I is 1, value of J equivalent to 1. Now, what is the value of J? 1 minus W1. Okay. I is equivalent to 1. Greater than or equivalent to 0. Right. Now, value of J is 1, W1. See here, this is what W1. Now, W1 is what? 2. W1 is 2. Okay, W1 is 2. 1 minus 2 is greater than or equivalent to 0. Now, condition false. Right? Now, condition false. Now, condition false. Next, apply formula number, condition number 2. Condition number 2 is J minus Wi less than 0. That is 1 minus 2 less than 0, right? Now, condition true. Now, we can use the second formula. Okay. If condition satisfied, use the second formula, else use the max formula, first formula. Now, what is the second formula? F of I comma j equivalent to f of I minus 1 comma j. Instead of f, I am going to write v. V is nothing but value. Okay, v is nothing but the value. So now I am going to write the second formula. V of I comma j equals to, what is the formula? V of I minus 1 comma j. V of I minus 1 comma j. Is it clear? This is the second formula. Now, the value of I is, see, this is the formula, I minus 1 comma j. Now, the value of I is 1, 1 minus 1 comma 1, right? Now, V of 0 comma 1. Now, look at the table. What is the value of V of 0 comma 1? 0 comma 1 is 0. Clear, everyone? Any doubts here? Students, any doubts, ma?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now v of 0 comma 1 is 0 in the table, right? See here 0 comma 1 is 1 0 as per the initial condition. Now the value of v of 1 comma 1 is 0. Clear everyone? So now we are going to fill this value 0 in the table. Now 1 comma 1 is 0. 1 comma 1 is 0. So next what we have to find, ma? Which one? Next, which one we need to find? What is the value? What is the next value of I and j? Anyone? Students, what is the next value of I and j? What is the next value? One comma two, right? Listen here. This 1 comma 2. Okay. This 1 comma 2. Clear, ma? 1 comma 2. Now what is the value of phi? I equals to 1. Value of j equals to 2. Okay. V of 1 comma 2. Is it clear? Any doubts, ma? Students, any doubts here? Students, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, value of I is I comma j. I equivalent to 1, j equivalent to 2, right? First, the initial condition is j minus wi greater than or equivalent to 0. ஸோ கிளாஸஸ் வந்து லிசன் பண்ணுங்கம்மா. ஓப்பன் புக் டெஸ்ட்னு எல்லாம் சொல்றாங்க, நமக்கு அது இன்னும் கன்ஃபார்மா தெரியல. ஓகே, நீங்க ஓப்பன் புக் டெஸ்ட்னதும் ஏதோ ஒன்று கேட்பாங்க, நம்ம நோட்ஸை வந்து புக்கை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி எழுதலாம்னு நினைக்க வேண்டாம். சும்மா சாதாரணமா கேட்க மாட்டாங்க, ரொம்ப அனலிசிஸ் பண்ணி அனலிட்டிக்கல் டைப்பா மட்டும்தான் கேட்பாங்க, ரைட்? டைரக்டா நீங்க உங்களை வந்துட்டு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் ஆப்டிமல் பைனரி சர்ச் ட்ரீ, எக்ஸ்பிளைன் ஆப்ஸ்ட்ராக்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் கேட்க போறதே கிடையாது. நீங்க புக்கை ஓபன் பண்ணி நீங்க சர்ச் பண்ணி எழுத முடியாத அளவுக்கு தான் வந்துட்டு கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இருக்கும், ரைட்? ஸோ பி சீரியஸ், listen the classes carefully. J minus wi greater than or equivalent to 0, right? J minus wi greater than or equivalent to 0. Now first value of j is 2 minus not 2, yeah, j is 2 minus value of I is w1 greater than or equivalent to 0. Now tell me what is the value of w1? W1 is, this is called as w1. Okay, this is w2, w3, w4, right? Similarly, we have 4 v values. These are the v1, v2. So how many of you completed optimal binary search tree main table and root table? How many of you completed more optimal binary search tree, main table and root table? Okay. So these are the values and weights. Okay. Values and weights. Two minus W1. W1 is 2. W1 is 2. 2 minus 2. Right? Now 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 equivalent to 0. Now we can apply formula number 1. Right? Apply formula number 1. What is the formula number 1? Max of v of I minus 1 comma j, v1 plus v of I minus 1 comma j minus wi. This is formula number 1. Okay, this is what formula number 1. Instead of f, I'm going to write v. Okay, v of I comma j equals to max of within bracket v, I value of I is 1. 1 minus, listen the class carefully. If you have any doubts, let me know. 1 minus 1 comma value of j is 2. V value of I is v1 plus v of 1 minus 1 2 minus w1. Max of within bracket v of 0 comma 2 comma, now write the value of v1 from the table. Okay, write the value of v1 from the table. What is the value of v1? 12. Okay, value of object 1 is 12. Value of object 1 is 12. 12 plus v of 0 comma 2 0 comma 2 minus w1. What is the weight of object 1? Weight of object 1 is 2. 2 comma 2. Okay, 2 comma 2. Now equals to max of, what is v of 0 comma 2 in the table? 0 comma 2 in the table. What is the value of 0 comma 2? Anyone reply? Can anyone reply me? What is 0 comma 2?
0, ma'am.
0. Good. This is 0 comma 12 plus, now find the value of 0 comma 0 in the table. V of 0 comma 0. What is 0 comma 0?
0.
0. Sheba and Shobika, are you there? Sheba and Shobika. Sheba and Shobika, have you attended EVS internal 2? You guys are not there in the line, right? Sheba and Shobika. Yuvashri, are you there? Yuvashri. V of 0 comma 0 equivalent to 0. So from the table, we find the value of V of 0 comma 0, that is 0. equivalent to max is a function which is used to find the largest value. Now 0, comma 12 plus 0 is 12. Okay, ma. Now which is the maximum value? Maximum value is 12. I'm note eduthu note. Okay. Now the value of v of note 1 comma 2 equal to 12. Okay. V of 1 comma 2 equal to 12. Okay, ma. This is called as knapsack problem. Thank you so much. This is called a knapsack problem, right? So now in the table, we are going to fill the value of v of 1 comma 2, right? V of 1 comma 2. So now 1 comma 2 is so similar fashion. So similar fashion, you have to fill all the values. Okay. Next, you need to fill v of 1 comma 3, v of 1 comma 4, v of 1 comma 5. Okay. Next is v of 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5. Clear? Next is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5. Next is 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4 and 4 comma 5. Okay ma? So இந்த மாதிரி எழுதி full complete பண்ணிடுங்க. Wait for a minute. I'll move on to the next topic. The next topic is Prim's algorithm. Okay. Note on the topic Prim's algorithm. Next topic is Prim's algorithm. See, is it visible, ma? My screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This Prim's algorithm is used to find the Prim's algorithm is used to find the minimum spanning tree, right? The meaning of spanning tree is connected graph. Meaning of spanning tree is connected graph. So the minimum spanning tree is what? Connected graph with minimum weight value is called as minimum spanning tree. Okay. So spanning tree is connected graph, right? Spanning tree is connected graph. Connected graph is nothing but all the vertices should be connected each other. Okay. All the vertices should be connected each other. All the vertices should be connected each other. So the minimum spanning tree is nothing but spanning tree with minimum weight value. Spanning tree with minimum weight value. Okay. Now, so from the previous example, we constructed three different graphs. Okay, three different graphs. Look at the first graph. In the first graph, first tree, A to B value is 1, 1 plus 5, 5 plus 3. Total weight is 9. Okay, total weight is 9. Next, tree 2, 5 plus 2 plus 1, total weight is 8. Finally, 3 plus 2 plus 1, total weight is 6. Clear, everyone? These all are the three different trees constructed from the previous example. This is called as what? Prim's algorithm. So the Prim's algorithm is used to find the minimum spanning tree. Spanning tree is connected graph. Minimum spanning tree is connected graph with minimum weight value is called as minimum spanning tree. Next, look at the example. This is the example graph. In this example graph, we are going to construct the minimum spanning tree. So you need to write this table with the three column names, three vertices, remaining vertices, finally the illustration. Okay. So in the initial tree vertex, we need to write the source, right? Here the source vertex is A. Okay. Source vertex is A. A within bracket blank hyphen comma hyphen. Okay. A within bracket hyphen comma hyphen. So the first hyphen represents name of the nearest vertex. Name of the nearest vertex. The second hyphen represents distance or weight. Okay, distance or weight. Okay, ma. So now write the source vertex. Our source vertex is A. Next is in the remaining vertices, you need to write all the remaining vertices from the tree, from the graph. Okay, you need to write all the remaining vertices from the graph. Now the remaining vertices are B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so except A, except the source vertex A, write all the remaining vertices. Except the remaining vertices, So the remaining vertices B, C, D, E and F. Okay. Now the adjacents of A. Adjacent vertices of A, P, F, E. Okay. Adjacent vertices of A, P, F, E. So remaining vertices, now the adjacents of A, B, F, E. So now we are going to fill B, F, E. Now we are going to fill the values of B. Look at the remaining vertices, ma. So B within bracket, B is visited by A, B is visited by A, comma, distance between A and B is 3. Distance between A and B is 3. Distance between A and B is 3. Okay. Now, this next adjacent of F is A is F. F is visited by A. F is visited by A. The distance between A and F is 5. Finally, E is the another one adjacent of A. E is visited by A and the distance between A and E is 6. Clear ma? Any doubts here? So remaining vertices எப்படி எழுதியிருக்கேன்னு புரிஞ்சிருச்சா? We need to write all the remaining vertices except the source. Okay, first set. Except the source A, we need to write all the remaining vertices, right? Next, we have to find the adjacents of A. We have to find the adjacents of A. We have to find the adjacents of A. 3 adjacents B, F, E. Okay. First we are going to fill B. B within bracket A comma 3. B within bracket A comma 3. Right? A is B is visited. This A is visited by B with A is visited by A is B is visited by A. The distance between A and B is 3. Okay. Next, this E is visited by A. Distance between A and E is 6. Finally, F is visited by A. Distance between A and F is 5. Is it clear, ma? Now we filled 3 adjacent vertices. Okay. Now, among these 3, which is the minimum weight? Can anyone tell the answer? Among these 3, which is the minimum distance? Minimum distance. Which is the minimum distance among these 3?
80.
3. B to B to A. So now we joined A to B with the weight value 3. Okay, ma, this is the first step. Listen, the second step is, look at the second step. Now select the minimum value under the tree vertices. Okay, now the minimum value, minimum distance is B of A comma 3. 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 Now the adjacents of B, C, F, A. Okay, C, F, A. Among these 3 adjacents of B, A is already visited. Okay, A is already visited. right? So except A, B, okay, A is already visited, B is already visited, except A and B, write all the vertices in remaining vertices. புரிஞ்சிருச்சா? Except A and B, write all the remaining vertices in write all the remaining vertices write all the remaining vertices in remaining vertices. The remaining vertices are C, D, E, F. C, D, E, and F. Okay. So among this four, we have to find the adjacents of B. Adjacents of B, A, F, and C. Okay. A is already visited. No need to visit A, right? The remaining two vertices are F and C, right? F and C. Now C within bracket, C is visited by B, comma, distance between B and C is 1. Okay. F of B comma 4, right? F of B comma 4. Clear, everyone? These four are the remaining vertices. Now among these two, the minimum distance is 1. In the diagram, we have to join. See here. Here we need to join B and C with 1. Okay. B and C with 1. Clear, ma? Now the minimum value is C of B comma 1, right? So three vertices C of B comma 1. Now ABC நம்ம இங்க எழுத கூடாது remaining vertices, okay? A, B, C are visited, okay? A, B, C are visited. Remaining values D of C comma 6, E of A comma 6, F of B comma 4. Clear, ma? இது மூணுமே எழுதிட்டு again find the adjacents of C. So adjacents of C to find, we have to find the minimum value of minimum distance, right? The minimum distance is 4. Now join F and B with the 4. F and B with 4. Okay. இங்க பாருங்க. Next write the minimum distance in tree vertex F of B comma 4. Now write all the remaining vertices D, E, and F. Okay. So similar fashion, we அவ்வளவுதான். இது வரைக்கும் தான். Finally F of F comma 2. Right? Finally join all the vertices. Now the weight of this tree is W equivalent to 15. W equivalent to 15. Okay. Weight of this value is W equivalent to 15. Clear, ma? So any doubts in today's class? So let me share the PPT and this pages in your class group. Okay. Refer it, right? Use this PPT to complete the some knapsack problem. Okay. Shobika and Shebas there. Sheba and Shobika, are you there? Okay, thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
சரி சாவக்கான கலேசம் களி இருக்குங்களா களி களி வெள்ளை சாதம் பந்தரி போறதா எல்லாம் கலேசம் சொல்ல வேலை அது மாவு இதை செஞ்சு வாங்கி கொடுத்துட்டு இப்ப என்ன பண்ணிட்டு வர யார் மாசு கொடுத்தா ஐயோ